Hello everyone, this is Harim Ramani and you're watching Harim Ramani Official. We are going to discuss the first skill of IELTS, and that is listening skill. This is one of the most important things because usually when people come to us, they feel that this is the weakest one. This is the weakest portion of their skills. We are going to discuss what you people are going to do, what you listen on the type, what kind of questions you will face, and how long the listening you people will listen and you people will do, and at the same time whether you will get some time for transferring on answers or not. Each and everything will be discussed in details. The very first thing is general and academic listenings are the same. General training listening and academic listening are same, and both the listenings have 40 questions. There are 40 questions, 4 sections or parts. Every section or part contains 10 questions. The listening is of around 30 minutes. It can be less or more of 30 minutes. Then you will get 10 minutes. After the completion of your listening task or test, you will get 10 minutes, 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers on your answer sheets. You will listen 4 recordings. The first recording will have a dialogue set in an everyday social context. You may have some forms to fill, you may have some information which is being given by some people, and some questions are asked over there. So the first portion is totally in a very social context, and everyday life will be discussed. The topic from everyday life will be discussed in this particular portion. Recording 2, there is a monologue. You people will face an everyday social speech. Monologue is basically a speech of a person, one person, and that monologue which you people are going to listen on this particular portion, that will be set in an everyday social context. Then recording 3 will have a conversation. Up to 4 people, sometimes 2 or more than 2, means 3 to 4 people are there. This recording is set in an educational or training context. Maybe as 2 students are talking to each other, a student and a teacher, or 2 students and a teacher, they are communicating with each other. And that is, I've already told you, that is set in an educational context. Then recording 4 contains on a monologue on an academic subject. Can be a university lecture or speech by a principal, or maybe some seminars, means some presentations in seminars or like that. So these 4 things, the most important things, which you need to improve, where you can face some problems, where can create some issues for you people, these 2 portions. You will have to, while preparing yourselves, you will have to ponder upon these 2 sections, so that, or you will have to practice a lot for these 2 sections, so that you'll be able to get appropriate or considerable marks in these 2 portions. Then what kind of questions you people are going to face in listening? The first kind, flowcharts, forms, as I have already told you over there, flowcharts, forms, notes, tables, summary completions. Secondly, maps, plans, labeling diagrams. They're kind of fill in the blanks. Third type of question is short answer questions. They can be one word, either one word answer or two word answers, or three word, no more than three word answers. In my next video, I will let you know that how you have to manage these questions. In this video, I'm just going to explain what kind of questions or which kind of questions you people are going to face. Then fourth one is MCQs. Then matching phrases or statements. You will have to match, means A, B, C, D. Some phrases are written over there, then questions 11, 12, 13, 14. You will have to match A with 14 or B and B with 11th. In this way, you will have to match the statements or phrases. Then sentence completion. Over here, you people have some incomplete questions or some incomplete statements have been given to you, and after listening to the speakers, you will have to complete the answers. And these type of questions too will be like no more than two words, no more than one word, or no more than three words. The answers in Ielts listening and reading, they are no more than three words, either one word or two word answers or three word answers. Okay, you are not supposed to answer in details. So these are the things you will face in Ielts listening, and I'm hopeful that you have learned something over here. It is clear to you that what kind of recordings you are going to listen and what kind of questions you are going to face. In my next video, I'm going to tell you how to tackle all these kind of questions and how to manage, how to improve, and while practicing yourselves, what are the techniques you should follow or you should focus while preparing yourself for Ielts listening. If you have learned something, or if you have any queries about listening, you can ask me in comment section. Do like the video, subscribe my channel, and share the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.